Yo,
up, you know.
Which party I bring that election, bro?
Me not care that. Me not too in politics, you know.
Guess which party me I bring?
Brother, me no know.
Look now.
Brother, me no know bad man.
Let me tell her, bro.
In this election, let us vote for the Jamaica Labour Party. Vote for Labour. Grab your name and vote for Labour. Tell your name to vote for Labour. Everybody just vote for Labour. Tell them vote for Labour.
Just up in his amaze, no man.
Go on the Jordan, I pre, bro.
There, man, I want to go on in here.
Which party I bring, bro? No, you bastard. JLP.
Brother, we are friend from basic school. We can't make politics get in between you, bro. What kind of style that?
PNP now win, hear that? Big Nose now win this year, hear that? We are called Big Nose. Hey boy. Watch out, yo, easy no man, easy no. Move the backside. You know what, me gonna promote on a business, dog. How PNP go help? They only good for people, taxpayers. Go tell Big Nose fix the road, them think break boy.
Watch out, man, break nothing on the easy now, bro. Lord
See
have
green like
mercy.
JLP color, but beard man.
Brother, is that the man them brainwash, bro? Me can't bother them man, I know, dog.
Yo, don't know no? Sean Savior, hear that?
Alright.
Yo, when on there, so watch it off who for win no. Uno broke hungry and them rich out and live in modest life, you know. All this no worthy, bro. No man, ain't worthy, man. We need to watch it off to give the election more vibes are still boring, you see me, bro? We can't bet uno can't name the Minister of Finance right now. Who are the Minister of Finance? Me don't know, brother.
See, same thing. Name me somebody from your party.
Lisa Hanna?
That no count. You only know her because she pretty.
So what?
Alright, you give me somebody from your party now.
Me don't know nobody.
You see it and they say war for them and you know who now fight for me. Just one.
So now say shoes or what?
Shoes.
Yo, Lisa Hanna had for real still, you know. Bro, she 53, bro. Me care. So yo, Sean.
What?
So we are support. Tell you already, bro. Me not into politics and them things there, bro. But hypothetically, if you were to support a party, which party you support? Me don't know, bro. Time up. How me gonna time you?
Yo, let go from me, bro.
Molly. Him tie up. Alright.
And you want me to do this, bro?
Every vote count in an election, even if I one person.
Man, you trying to serious right now, bro?
Yes. So pick one, JLP or PNP.
None of them.
Look like we have to go in a phase 2.
One in phase 2.
See overnight food in the fridge.
No.
Jordan, go feed and yummy.
No.
For which party you pick? This is your last chance.
My food, dog.
Look like that never work. Wonder who I call her right now. The baby girl I call her, that's so sweet.
Don't you dare. Leave her out of this, bro, please.
How old that be again? Hello, Lissy.
Where's daddy?
Lissy!
I want to speak to
Come
daddy.
Daddy's busy with some work right now, sweet.
Okay.
Shut up. Question, sweetheart.
Yeah.
How old are you?
I just turned 18.
Okay, thank you for telling me. Yo, what y'all gonna do? Yo! Well, we tell you if we pick a party and I never want to hear. What am I gonna do to my daughter?
Breaking news. I received news that an 18-year-old girl has been reported missing and her name is Lissy Robinson. And I repeat, Lissy Robinson. If you guys have any information on her whereabouts, please report it to the nearest police station.
Most of them find her?
What, they find her?
Yeah, them find her.
Okay, now handing over to Ryan Hendricks. Ryan Hendricks.
Hello everybody, Ryan Hendricks here reporting live. The little girl named Lissy Robinson has been located and she's also here with a man. They will now tell us their side of the story. Hello everyone, my dad's friend asked me what did I need for back to school and I said a new laptop, so he brought me to the computer store and bought me a new HP laptop so I can now do my homeworks. So sir, tell us your side of the story. Yes, you know us of the Jamaica Labour Party love our children, so I thought why not support our children with their education by buying her a new laptop to assist her with her studies. We are the best party, can't you tell? When voting, put an X beside the bell. And that's it from us here, back to the studios.
Thank you so much for that report, Ryan. And that's it for the breaking news today, everyone. Have a blessed day.
You know that nice, dog. I got vote for JLP, dog.
Me need support PNP. I pay them pay me.